Hi guys, in this video we will see possible solution of error bad command error code 22 on Windows 11 and Windows 10, and such type of error message you will receive the device does not recognize the command. If you are also facing such type of error code having messages, then the first workaround is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows run as administrator. Click on run as administrator. Command prompt Windows will now open as administrator mode, and here execute the command chkdsk as shown on screen. Chkdsk, here replace the C letter from your drive letter and simply execute this command. You can change this C drive with your drive letter which having error you are receiving either D or E or F anywhere, and press enter and let the window complete the scanning process of your disk drives, and you will notify if any error found. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side window, go to privacy and security. From the right side, choose Windows security. Here click on virus and threat protection. A new Windows security page will open. Here click on scan options and you will find four options. Here choose full scan and click on scan now and let the window complete the scanning process. It will scan your system for any virus and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Go to Windows search, type cmd. Open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows execute the command sfc scan now, sfc/scan now, and press enter. It will scan your PC for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings space, click on Windows Update, and from the right side, click on check for updates. And if any update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of error appear on your screen. So you must update your OS and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup, click on open, and here select the drive you want to clean up. Choose the drives where your program files exist. Basically it's C drive, so choose C drive and click on OK. A new window will open. Here under files to delete, make the check against all these options. Direct X, temporary files, thumbnails, wish icon bin, downloaded program files, make the check against all these options and click on OK. A pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. And after that, check whether your system having error code still or not. If not fixed, go to the next fixes. Clean boot your system. Right click on start button and choose run. Here type msconfig, msconfig, and click on OK. It will open system configuration window. Here from the top menu bar, go to services, click on services and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services from the bottom left corner and click on disable all from bottom right corner. And once completed, go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and open task manager. Click on this link Task Manager windows will now open. Here you will see all your startup apps. Found out, find out enabled startup apps in your system and manually disable it. Right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all your enabled startup apps in your system, and thereafter close the windows and choose apply and OK to save the changes. Your error code 22 definitely be resolved.